Hello students, this is R.K. Nageshwar, your biology teacher. What is chapter name? Sustainable Management of Natural Resources. So previously we discussed what is the natural resources definition, management of natural resources, and sustainable development, and some points also, right? Yesterday we discussed what is a forest and wildlife, right? Yeah, this is just a topic, right, students? So, what is a forest and what is a wildlife? What is a flora and what is a fauna? And what is a biodiversity hotspots? Yes or no? Yeah, at the same time, very important question also is there. Stakeholders. What stakeholders functions in a forest? That is the yesterday topic. At the same time, these stakeholders they collect different types of products from the forest. Best example, bamboo. So these bamboo trees they cut for using huts and baskets, making of huts and basket, right? At the same time, the local people take wood for making agricultural to implements or tools and gather fruits, nuts, and medicinal herbs from the forest, right? So this is the yesterday topic. So continue yesterday topic. Yeah, so plant trees for timber such as pine, teak, and eucalyptus, etc. Huge areas of forest are cleared all vegetation. Why? Because of all people depend on forest because they collect different types of these products for our home needs, right? At the same time, so the forests are cleared to all vegetation. So fears to go the forest to look like a desert. Yes or no? Why? Because of no vegetation. Some example, the Great Himalaya. The Great Himalayan National Park is a protected forest area which contains alpine trees, meadows that were earlier grazed by outside sheep in summer. So mostly best example in Great Himalayas places లో అక్కడ park లో actually a most number of sheeps are there. These sheeps, grazing sheeps, they are continuously means quickly fast completed the grass in a park. That's why the government is gave the notice for the park. Okay, protect the park from the grazing animals. That's why nowadays you can observe here there it is a vegetation is increases, right? What is industrializes? So industrializes timber industry, paper manufacturing industry, means paper mills, lac industry, and sports. So many industries are depend on the forest because of many products. Many products are available in a forest. Yes or no? So they make up different types of products in a industries. That's why a number of plants will vanish in a forest because of human activities. A major program called silviculture. Students, very important question. Silviculture has been started to replenish the forest by growing more trees and plants. Why? Because of these many activities, industries, and grazing animals, human activities. So we vanish a number of vegetation is vanished away from the forest. That's why silviculture, sericulture different. So silviculture has been started to the replenish the forest by growing more trees and means increase of plants in a forest or plantation in a forest, right? So this is a silviculture program has many advantages. Even advantage also చూడండి. First, it produces a large quantity of raw materials for industry like timber and paper industry. Yes or no? So of places lo it give number of plants for timber and paper for industries. It increases the area of earth under forest. Yes or no? When you cultivate more number of plants, it look like a forest. Means increase the forest areas in the earth. On earth. Yes. It maintains a perfect water cycle in nature. Where the plant is present, that place almost automatically rain will fall. Yes or no? So no forest means no rain. So depend on the plants only, rain will fall down. Yes, it prevents soil erosion. So when plantation is more, so no soil erosion. When plants is less in a places, it will form soil erosion because of more rainfall, right? It prevents floods. ఎక్కువ మనం చూసామంటే వైజాగ్ ఏరియాస్ ఐ థింక్ 2 years బ్యాక్, మేబీ 2 years బ్యాక్, ఎస్ సార్ మోర్ ఫ్లడ్స్ అక్కడ ఉన్న శివాలయం కదా ఏదో కప్లైతే ఏదో అంటాం మనం, ఐ డోంట్ నో ప్లేస్. యా, సో అక్కడ చూసామంటే మనము మోర్ రెయిన్ ఫాల్ మీన్స్ ద ఫ్లడ్స్ విల్ కేమ్. ఎస్ సార్ so why? Because of no plants, I think no mangrove plants not there in a Vizag sea areas. So when the mangrove plants is present, so it will stop the at least not damage the more population or money, right? So it prevents the floods. So when the plants is there, the place mostly not damaging more properties, right? Two instances where ordinary people have played a great role in the conservation of forest. ఇంకా టూ ఇచ్చా మనము. ఓకే, బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టూ మీన్స్ ఆర్డినరీ ఫార్మ్స్ మీన్స్ ద టూ ఆర్డినరీ వర్క్ టు కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్. ఎలా అంటే చూడండి, ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ కెజరీ ట్రీస్. ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ కెజరీ trees. There is a Bishonai, one woman is there. Bishonai, one woman. See student, this is the forest trees are cut down to obtain wood for use in a furniture, making paper, pots. So this a cut down of forest should be replenished by planting more trees. Right? This picture show forest began replanted. The major silviculture ante, yeah, this is silviculture. That means a cut down of forest be replenished by planting more trees, so they can change the forest, right? So welcome back that one, the case of Kejari trees. So there is a Bishnoi community in Rajasthan state in our country for whom conservation of forest and wildlife has been religions believe. Religions అంటే కదా caste, right? అంటే వాళ్ళ ప్లాంట్స్ని I will show pictures. See, this is the Kejari tree in Rajasthan. That plant, Kejari tree in Rajasthan. So, in this one areas, Amrita Devi Bishonai, ఆమె పేరు, okay, Amrita Devi Bishonai, a national award for wildlife conservation being presented to a woman for her contribution to the conservation of wildlife. మరి ఆమె ఏం చేసింది? సో వాట్ ఈస్ అ కజరీ ట్రీ ఇన్ రాజస్థాన్? ఇన్ 1973 అమృత దేవి బిషోనాయ్ చెప్పిందా ఆమె, సో లీడ్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ 363 persons who sacrificed their lives for the protection of కజరీ trees in a కజరీ విలేజ్ నియర్ జోధ్పూర్ ఇన్ రాజస్థాన్. ఎక్కువగా ఆ ప్లేస్లో ఆ కజరీ ట్రీస్ని వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే దేవుని కంటే ఎక్కువగా పూజించేవాళ్ళు, అంత ఇష్టపడేవాళ్ళు అంటారు. సో దీస్ పీపుల్ దే ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద ప్లాంట్స్. సో కజరీ ట్రీస్ని కట్ చేయొద్దండి, దిస్ ఇస్ మై రిలీజియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్, డోంట్ కట్ ద ట్రీస్ అని. సో ద గవర్నమెంట్ హ్యాస్ రీసెంట్లీ ఇనిషియేటెడ్ అండ్ అమృత దేవి బిషోనాయ్ నేషనల్ అవార్డ్ ఫర్ వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్. ఆమెకు అవార్డు ఇచ్చారు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ దే స్టాప్ ద కట్ ద ట్రీస్ ఆఫ్ కజరీ ట్రీస్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్ ఎందుకు కట్ చేస్తారు అంటే ద ప్లాంట్ దే కెన్ యూజ్ ఫర్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్నిచర్స్ ఆర్ ఎకనామిక్ వాల్యూ is important. But at the same time, they cut the number of trees and a number of vegetation is vanish away from plants or forest. Yes, that is the case of Kajari trees. Second method, the Chipko movement. The Chipko Andolan or Chipko movement means hug the trees movement. Hug the trees movement. So chetni kaulinchukunnamata. So what is this one, the Chipko movement? The Chipko Andolan originated from an incident in a remote village called Reni in Garhwal high up in the Himalayas in the earlier 1970s. Place Reni. See student, this is the one pictures. They hug the trees. Chipko movement. See women అక్కడ ఆ ట్రీస్ చుట్టూ రౌండ్లో ఉన్నారు. So the picture shows the women activities of Chipko Andolan. means hug the trees of movement. The clasping of tree trunk to prevent it from being cut down. Same. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ కట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ట్రీ. ఎస్ అను దీస్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ట్రీ it can use for many of for making of furnitures, right? But these peoples, the people of the village did not want this forest to be cut down because it would have a spoiled their healthy environment. మన చూసిన రోబో 2 కూడా సేమ్ ఆ పక్షులు కూడా అక్కడ పక్షులు కూడా అంత అంటే అక్కడ ఉన్న ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ దే కెన్ స్పాయిల్ ది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ ఎ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లింగ్ ఆఫ్ బర్డ్స్ ఈజ్ died because of environment. Same these people also chipko movement people also they don't want to cut the trees. So because of here many type of species plants are there, right? Yeah. So the chipko movement quickly spread across the communities and helped in the conservation of forest. Total ga these chipko movement they spread to throughout India. Yes, that is the chipko movement, hug the trees of movement.